What's going on, you guys? I'm Jessy here, and I'm excited to show you guys and tell you all about my new beautiful Gladiator workbench. This is not going to be a workbench. I guess in some cases it will be a workbench, but I believe this is my ultimate YouTuber unboxing table setup thing that I want to have here on display. So I want to share it with you guys. It's going to be just a quick, simple one, just giving you an overview of this. Wink, wink, Gladiator. If you're watching this, love this product. If you have other things that you're interested in me showing off, let me know. So why I'm so excited about this Gladiator workbench is that it checks off a bunch of the marks that I was looking for when looking for a new table. I'd actually considered building my own table, and then just in terms of time, effort, cost that I would have had to put into it, I figured for just a little bit more, I can have one that's already pre-assembled, is going to be very sturdy, and most importantly is height adjustable. So I had to move my camera a good bit back to get this in full frame, but this table measures 6 feet long by 25 inches wide. That is really great for me. As you guys know, I do a lot of 3D printing videos. Most of the larger 3D printers will fit within this bed space. I'm sure there's going to be some larger printers that are going to be too long for this, but for the most part, it's going to be really good. The other thing is that I wanted it nice and long, at least 6 feet long. My wall from wall to wall is about 8 to 9, actually sorry, I think it's 9 feet wide. So if I went up to 8, it would have been a little too long and I wouldn't be able to pass through on side to side. But 6 feet is absolutely perfect for me. And when I just have the camera, let me readjust the camera. And when I have the camera put at my normal position, I guess you could call it, which is about, I don't know, 3 feet away from me here, the table looks like it's sort of like an infinity table here. It's stretching from one end of the screen to the other end of the screen there for you, the viewers. Obviously, it's all going to dictate and depend on what angle I set my camera on, but that's really something that I was going for here with this look and feel. Also, I wanted something that was height adjustable. That was very important to me. I wanted something that was going to be tall. I'm 6 feet tall, so I wanted something that was going to be above my waist. You gotta be kidding me. So I wanted something that was going to be higher than my waistline, and this table perfectly is able to do that on its highest setting. Now, one thing that I've done that might be a little bit different than some other people that might be using this is I ended up buying some casters off of Amazon and unscrewed the bottoms that came with this table and put those on instead. This way, I can more or less very easily move this and reposition this around here in my room. So if I'm not recording a video or working on a project here, I can push this up against the wall, so it frees up this entire space here. The table height plus the casters that I have on here are 41 inches. I'll have a link down below to the casters that I purchased off of Amazon that I was able to very easily assemble and add on to the table legs. If you watch any of my previous videos, I was just using a very basic, I think it's 5 foot long folding table. The thing was very unsturdy. It was not great for recording on, did not meet really any of my needs, and I was propping it up on boxes to give it the look that I needed. Do you hear that right now? Yeah, that's vacuuming going on upstairs above my workshop. So here's a quick look at a printer being up on the actual table here itself as well. So this will be really nice for me to do unboxings, or when I'm talking about a printer or having just different objects on display that I can show off to you guys. I'll feel a little bit more confident about displaying it to you guys. It just looks a little bit cleaner, a little bit more professional than that folding table with foam mats that I had on there previously. One thing that I might be doing as well is adding a little side attachment here for a roll of paper. Basic painter's paper there that I can just very easily roll out across the table. Maybe I'm working with resin and I don't want to junk up the tabletop here. One other really cool factor for this is I should be able to do some nice top-down shots as well here on the table. Maybe I'm looking at a device or Xbox controller, whatever it may be. I just want to have a different angle here. Should be nice to work with here with this nicely colored stained wood butcher block top table. That's a lot of words there that I just crammed together. Just some fun little tidbits about this table that I should mention here. The weight capacity is 3,000 pounds. It's pretty impressive. The legs are galvanized or hammered granite finish. The legs are adjustable in 1.25 inch increments, which is very cool. So again, you can pretty easily just unscrew. You have to flip this thing around and put it on its back. And then you can adjust the legs as needed there. Also the foot pieces that came with this that I ended up taking off, you can adjust those in case your floor is uneven, which I thought was very nice. I like this part of the description here. Ideal for a wide range of uses, including a desk, project area, or bar area. Let's add YouTuber table to this as well. So if you're in the market for a new table for your YouTube video studio, or you're just looking for a new workbench, I highly, highly recommend this Gladiator adjustable height workbench. I'm absolutely loving this thing. You're gonna be seeing it in pretty much all of my videos moving forward, and I just wanted to share this with you guys here. I picked this up from Homedepot. It's also available at Lowe's, and I'm sure you can pick it up online as well. Should also mention that the price point is about 350 bucks for this bad boy here, which for me wasn't all that bad considering everything that I'm going to be putting it through here over the upcoming years. Hey, I just want to say thanks again for watching, you guys. Again, if you're interested in this table, I'll have links down below to that. And let me know what you guys think of this table. If there's anything cool or extra you think I might be able to do with this, let me know. If maybe you've got some add-ons to your workbench, maybe I can 3D print some cool things, maybe a shelf or something underneath here. We'll see. But I just want to say thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye now. By the way, Gladiator, if you're by any chance watching this, I could use some storage under here. Wink, 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 wink. I've got a whole lot of filament that I could use storage for. I believe you guys make storage bins that fit under these things. Just throwing it out there.